Welcome to the Business Leaders Spotlight Show.
I want to welcome everyone to the Business Leaders Spotlight Show. This is Randy Van Ittersum, your host for today. Today we have with us Michael Maggiano, a leading personal injury attorney in Fort Lee, New Jersey. He's here today to talk to us about some of the legal issues that you can encounter in a personal injury case. Mike, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me. Happy to be here.
Mike, tell us a little bit about yourself and about your law firm.
Well, since 1974, I have been practicing personal injury litigation throughout New Jersey. I have an office in Fort Lee, New Jersey, and I have an office also in New York. I've been practicing in New York City for that length of time as well, but we practice throughout the states of New Jersey and New York. I also practice as co-counsel with other lawyers in various states of the United States and have had the pleasure of trying some very interesting cases with some really fine lawyers around the country. Our office, my partners and I, we have 6 lawyers, and I'm happy to say, have had the privilege of representing many fine people who have unfortunately suffered catastrophic injuries, and we have handled the representation of the victims of trucking accidents, medical malpractice, construction accidents, brain injury, spinal injuries, and sadly the families who have lost a loved one. I have to tell you, Randy, that the greatest reward that I have had as a trial lawyer is able to not only advance the law, because we have argued in the appellate division and before the Supreme Court. I now have the case pending before the Supreme Court of New Jersey. But the greatest reward, I think, is that not only can we advance the law, but we are able as personal injury attorneys to make a positive difference in someone's life. And that is the compass that guides our law firm.
Excellent. And Mike, in looking at your website, I noticed that you're a member of the American College of Trial Lawyers. Could you share some insights into that for our audience? Because it's quite a distinction.
The American College was founded in 1965, and it is affiliated with the Canadian Foundation, and we have a National College of District Attorneys that we're associated with and a National Criminal Defense College that we're associated with. In the American College of Trial Lawyers, you have an array of plaintiffs' lawyers, people who do what I do, and defense lawyers, people who defend corporations and insurance companies. And it is an organization that is by invitation only. The vetting process is very detailed and complex. And when you look at the statistics, less than 1% of trial lawyers are invited into the American College. We have, as an important function, the education, the continuing education of trial lawyers. And particularly, we have moot courts and colleges for the young trial lawyers to help bring them up the ladder. We believe greatly, as part of their training, ethics, trial ethics, legal ethics. So it's a wonderful organization, and it's an organization that inspires the very best in trial lawyering.